Hey everybody, Stubby with Stubby's Shop here. So it's been a while since I made a video, but I figured it's about time. So what I'm going to make a video about today is that sign right there. So it's a neon sign that was custom made for me quite a few years ago, and it's not working currently. So we're going to take a look at it and see if we can't get it fixed. So the first thing you're going to do is get it out off the wall. Yeah, that should not have been that hard. Okay, so what's going on with the sign right now is it's just not working at all. No power to it whatsoever. So I just plugged it in and turned on the transformer. Nothing. So I suspect it's a bad transformer, but I'm not real sure. We'll find out in just a second when we start doing a few tests. So just so everybody's clear, I am not a sign expert. Did work at a sign shop for quite a while, know a little bit about neon, but I can tell you I'm no expert, so just take all this with a grain of salt. So we have a neon tester. We're going to test the neon to see if it's good, and if it is, then we know it's a transformer. We'll change out the transformer, see if that works for us, and if so, we'll get the sign back up and going. But first, we need to clean it up. It's a little dirty. So like I said, this sign is a little bit dirty. If you guys can't tell, it says Stubby's Shop, kind of the logo for my YouTube channel and for other stuff that I do. It's a old saw blade, which is really cool. And then it's all the different neon put on a white backer, aluminum backer. But like I said, very, very dirty. So we're going to clean this thing up. We'll start back here in the back. Look at all the cobwebs and nastiness. That's the transformer that I believe is bad. But again, we'll find out here in just a few minutes. So one of the other things I may do while I've got the sign down and I'm working on it is fix the this part here. The blackout is what that's called. I know that's gray, but it is called blackout. And it's also right there. Some of it's come off. It should be on both sides, right there and right there. Kind of showing where I cut my fingers off. So that's just black paint, but it blacks out all the neon light when it comes through. So I've got some, but it may be dried up. I'll see if it'll work. And if not, we'll test this neon, and if it's working, then we'll get that transformer changed out and see where that takes us. So now that we've got the sign cleaned up a little bit, we're going to check and see if all the glass is good. If the glass is good, it's probably just a transformer, and if that's the case, we'll put a new one on and see how that works out. So this is a neon tester. Very simple thing. You can get it on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the video if you need to. But it's a very simple device. All you do is just push the button, and you touch it to the electrode, and it lights up. So the circle is good. Looks like part of the hand is probably good. The letters down on the bottom also look like they're good. So I suspect, since everything is illuminating like it's supposed to, I don't have any broken glass or bad glass. So that being the case, we're going to change out the transformer, and I'd be willing to bet the sign lights back up and we'll be in good shape. Alright, so the old transformer is no good. First thing we're going to do is make sure that it is unplugged. Because if you don't know, neon will light you up if you touch it. So the old transformer is going to be taken off. We're going to put on a new transformer. And the new transformer is similar in output to the old one. So all we have to do is take these wires, take them out one at a time. These are called GTO, the wires are. Put them through to the neon on both ends, and then we'll plug it in and see what happens. The new transformer does come with the wire already stripped back. So all you got to do is make sure they're twisted nicely. And then we're going to go through the other side and make sure that we can get that wire out. Same on the bottom. So we'll start down here on this bottom one. You want to be careful not to break the leads that are coming off the glass on the neon, because then you have to go to your neon shop and have them weld on some new leads, and that's not a good thing. And I just broke the glass. So there's no chance of this sign working now. Now it's going to have to go back to the neon shop. I can't believe I just did that. Crap. So yeah, that just happened. So I came out here to make a video about how to fix a neon sign. And what do? Break the neon sign. Yeah, so I just broke that glass on that sign. I'll show you what I did in just a second. But that's my luck. Come out here to try to make a YouTube video, try to show you guys how to fix a neon sign, and I break the sign. So that's how things work around here. So now I'm gonna have an adult beverage, cry over the sign for a minute, but I'll show you guys what happened. So I was untwisting this wire right here, trying to get that off the back of the neon. And as I was untwisting, turning that, and trying to get these two wires separated, I broke the glass on the neon. So now that should have been there, and it's been broken. So obviously all the neons come out of there, and the sign will not work anymore because there has to be a complete circuit from right there all the way around all the neon through everything, and then back out of what I would have shown you was that one getting taken out and replaced. So there's the sign. It's going back to the neon shop, and hopefully my brother-in-law can fix it and make it right. So guys, I came out here to make a video thinking I would show you guys how to fix a neon sign. Thought it'd be easy. Should have been easy, but didn't work out that way. So, you know, I started this YouTube channel a little over a year ago, thinking I would make some great videos and it would be really easy to be a YouTuber, start getting sponsorships, free tools. Not so much. So hopefully people will watch this video and see that being a YouTuber is not as easy as it looks, but I'm not going to be discouraged by it either. I'm going to keep making videos. I'll get a lot better at what I'm doing. Maybe I can even learn some video editing, do some good work with that. Who knows? Probably not. But I'll show you guys the finished result after the sign gets fixed, and maybe somebody can learn a little something from this. So until next time.